Hey guys, it's Shelly. Welcome to my channel. I usually do all kinds of products unboxing and review. So in case you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. So in today's video, I'll show you a handbag review. So I have not done a handbag review since a long time. And I have bought for a long time, but I have not opened it. So let's open it and see how it works. So this one is Spade chain wallet, or you can call it like a crossbody handbag. So let's open it and see how it looks. So if you are looking for a handbag with affordable range, then definitely this review will help you. I have done a lot of research, and this one I found like a really affordable price and a really nice handbag. So this is the handbag, you can see. Okay, this one is from Spade. I ordered this one from Spade site. Yeah, this is the handbag. Yeah, it looks really nice and pretty. Yeah. So this one, the width is 7.5 inches and depth is 4.5 inches, and this one is 1.25 inches. And here's the metallic logo, you can see the Spade, and this is like really polished leather. Yeah, I will show how it looks. In the back side there is a closure, and there is a snap closure, and the chain strap. This is the inside of the handbag. You can see it has like a 12 credit cards slots, 12 credit card slots, and there is a zipper here, and here also there is some zipper, and here just slip-on pocket, and chain wallet. It's like a really nice handbag, and Spade. So this is my phone. If I put it in my phone, looks really pretty. So let's try to put my stars here. So after putting the phone, my phone is almost, the bag is almost full. The phone here. This is a little bit bigger phone. If you have a smaller phone, I think it can fit. Yeah, it's like a really tough. Yeah, but still you can put this phone here. If I can put the phone here, then maybe I cannot put like this big. I just have to put 1, 2, 3 credit card here. This is my keychain, but I cannot put here. I just have to throw my credit cards here directly, and probably I can pour a little bit of perfume, 1 lip balm, and lipstick. Then all these things I cannot carry. I think probably 1 mask I can only carry. The mask also I'm going to fit here. Yeah, because the mask is mandatory right now, you cannot skip the mask. In case you don't have to carry the mask, then probably you can put some hair tie or some lip balm, or this is compact is too big, you cannot carry a compact, but some hair tie, some lipstick or lip balm, or a mini perfume. I think I can carry only 2-3 lipstick or mini perfume or some hair dye only I can carry, and if I put the sanitizer it's too big, so I just have to carry the sanitizer here, and which will kill the look of the bag. Here you can carry the sanitizer probably, maybe. There is no other way. You can carry the sanitizer, or you can carry the wipes. Some wipes you can put here. Otherwise you have to put the sanitizer like this way, which looks really bad. Definitely I can carry the sanitizer like this way. Yeah, this is only for like a phone. You cannot carry much stuffs, but this is how this bag designed. I mean, I really like this one because I don't need like a bigger bag. I just need to carry my phone and a couple of cards, that's all. Like my phone, one credit card and one deal, that's all. I don't need much stuffs. For me, I think this bag is really nice, and also it's affordable. It's not like very expensive, but it looks really nice. As for the price, I don't have any complaint for this bag, because this, as for the price, this is like a really great one. It looks really nice and really well made, and the leather quality is also really good, and stitches and everything looks perfect, and the chain straps also looks nice. So yeah, I think this for a affordable range, this bag is like a really great one. So I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like it, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.